Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear candidate for MRCS, my name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon and examiner in the Royal College of Surgeons of England. I have seen a lot of mistakes from different candidates, and I know a lot of you are very good surgeons but unable to pass this exam. That is why in Vascular Art Center in New Cairo, we are going to make a hands-on course for MRCS Part B with my dearest colleague, Professor Shireen Al-Hariri, one of the most eminent in giving courses of how to pass MRCS, and different colleagues who are examiners in the Royal College of Surgeons of England. The aim of this course is to show you the safest, best way to pass OSCE station and how to avoid mistake and how to make the best professional performance to the examiner and to get pass with a full mark. We are going to give you a tailored advice, which means advice for each candidate how to perform better when you go to the exam. Some of you need to improve English. Some need to improve communication skills. Some need to improve knowledge. Some need to improve professional way of performing either examination or taking history and so on. So it will be tailored exam, testing exam for each candidate. I am sure it will help you to pass first shot. We are eager to welcome you on September 26th, 27th, end of this month, to prepare you for the next coming exam. I hope it will be a light toward the best path to take this MRCS exam as easy and as straightforward as it is, and to help you to work in United Kingdom shortly after passing the exam. I hope to see you. I wish you all the best, and we are very eager to help you in this course end of September 2024. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.